PHP vs Rails. Ruby on Rails is framework, and Ruby on Rails have highly user-friendly DB accesses. But PHP is scripting language that have dynamic features and fair good database access. Ruby on Rails and PHP both imperative, object-oriented and reflective, but Ruby on Rails is aspect-oriented when the PHP is procedural. Rails have complex memory management, but it's very slow. PHP have poor memory management.
Since poor memory management in PHP can't handle tail recursion for higher depths. Ruby on Rails is strong typing and more conventions have to learn, when PHP is weakly typed and lack of conventions.
Ruby on Rails is not only for applications, but also for big sites, such as those with a substantial user base and complex business logic. PHP can certainly be structured so that it is easier to maintain and add to over time. But too many people think quick and dirty is good enough. Well-documented code in Ruby on Rails. The code itself documented and can read and understand. In PHP, it's messy code, very hard to read when it's embedded with HTML. In Ruby on Rails, well categorized and managed, no need of repeating. And in PHP, it's not categorized well, hard to reuse. On Rails, it's good for websites that have strong visual front end and uses new components. In PHP, it's ideal for simple websites that don't need sophisticated front end. In Ruby on Rails, it's Unicode supported, and in PHP, it's no Unicode compatibility. Ruby on Rails have high security, and PHP has poor security.
What you looking for? This is comparison between PHP, Rails and Java. According to your requirements, you have to choose best language to web development.
General statistics. New lines of code. PHP dominates the new lines of code, and only PHP and Ruby are on a steady curve upward. Yes, I know that number of lines of code is not a great measure, but none of these languages are overly verbose, so it's an interesting proxy metric. General statistics. Active developers. Active developers tells a different story. While PHP is growing a little relative to the others, they all seem to have a relatively flat curve. The well-known shortage of Ruby developers is reinforced by this data, as well as the next graph. General statistics. New projects. Comparing the languages PHP, Python, Perl with Ruby, according to the chart, the customer base of Ruby on Rails has increased comparing to other languages. References.